Wait, how is that possible? Let's watch that again. Using my intent, I am able to move him effortlessly, no brute force. Just the mind and the body as one. And there he goes. But how is that possible? In this video, I'll give you for free what my clients who are high performers pay for. And in a few minutes, you will understand what I learned from my Shifu and how this is possible. What makes it possible is when you learn to release excess muscular tension by releasing the mind, softening the joints, stretching the tendons, and mobilizing the body silk, the fascia. So how standing practice or standing meditation helps you in cultivating internal energy is that when you release the mind, which is basically you having your attention going down, right? So when you stand in the hiking tree posture or Hunyun posture, the sinking of the chest, or if you sigh, so you relax, sink it in, and then you slightly round the back, okay? And the breathing is below the navel over here. You breathe into the front dantian, okay, those points here, and then you lead the breath all the way into the ground, into the foot. When you're feeling the equal weight distribution in the front of both feet and the back, throughout the whole feet, both feet, left and right, the weight distribution is front and back, left and right equal. And you would feel like all your weight is going into the ground. Okay, your feet might feel heavy, and sometimes there's a little bit of heat. Okay, you feel a little bit of heat, or you just feel that drop in gravity. That's when the path starts opening, and then the jinn rises from the feet up the waist, all the way into the extremities. That is one of the ways of you understanding the mobilization of Qi. So it comes up and then it goes back down. So we have a cycle of yin, yang, back to yin. In the link in the description or the pinned comment is your freestanding meditation tutorial, which will help you if you're a high performer, entrepreneur, or executive interested in using martial arts to optimize your daily life.
Yeah, you can do it a lot. When you next step in, drop your weights, hold the pace, yes. You see, once you understand, you can also, I can also help do structure. I can be like this. So it's called the definitive. That's a whole different game. So you from the definitive thing. Yeah. Now, it's the muscles, yeah. It's a you want to, like, very strong. So the thing is, just feeling, the second one is muscles, but then your fascia. Yeah.